Hey guys, welcome to my perfect skincare routine.
Yo, I'm kidding.
Acha I set hii kamera niwaambie masahibu yaliyonikumba. Stay with me. Today I'm not even speaking in English because I don't have the strength for foreign languages. Okay, my global audience itabidi wanisikize vile wanasikiza wale. Wale wa Hindi wa tech. Sasa hapa ndipo tupo in trusting the skin process. So hizi products ziko wapi huko? Oh, here it is. Wait a minute. I'm trying to see where the words become visible. I have tried myself. Camera is in focus. Okay, so this is a cleanser natumia and it's made from lemon extract. I used to wonder like why this product is the skin brightening formula. Niliambiwa kuna difference ya skin brightening na lightening, and the brightening is okay. Not convinced though. Let me tell you the struggles of an oily skin. You go to bed looking all flawless. Unaamka ukikaa waru. Anyway. Okay, I feel the lightening too much, but unfortunately, I ain't gonna control on the natural light. So itabidi we proceed. First up, I moisten my face na maji tu. Then with a cleanser, rub it in ni kama unaosha dhambi. You gotta get the grease out of your pores. Oh. Okay, this is a part yenye breakout initialize, and that's why and where I focus. I can't even see myself well, so acha nitumie tu kioo. So keep on rubbing the cleanser, lather up, massage those oils. Gosh, enough is enough, right? Back then I used to wonder what wanafanya skincare routine, because of what reason? Until kikaniramba mayo, nilikuwa najiuliza kwani hawana kazi nyingine ya kufanya? Oh my Sheila. Huku juu usisahau pia rub it in. By the way, there's something about these eyebrow parts, yeah? Eyebrows part. You gotta ensure the dead skin here arise. Oh. Okay, so for many years, I've been ignoring the neck area. Upaswi kusahau shingo, please. It goes hand in hand. Tafadhali. Okay, tumemaliza for the cleanser. I don't know about this product, I mean this specific cleanser, but the cleanser with salicylic acid, lazima you give it time to do the work. For this pia, I shall do that. So we shall wait for a few minutes. I think 1 minute is enough. Enough of the waiting. Next step is to wash it off. So watcha I wash it off. Just tap. My skin is sensitive, that's why. You can rub it off, whatever works. You see this breakout. I don't know about it, but skin yangu ilikuwa perfect jana usiku, but I woke up like this. Can you imagine? Next is the toner by Neutrogena. This product is so useful because it has the salicylic salicylic. It's the salicylic acid, yeah? This is a game changer because it exfoliates inside the pores. Yani it can penetrate and dissolve the excess oils and the dead skin that causes the blockages. This is what actually causes the breakouts, the acne breakouts, yeah? Heat products prevent blackheads, yeah. So we get the cotton wool, add your toner. Oh my god, is it adding? And then mina tap too. But inaweza kosa kuwa efficient, so I just rub it off. So as you can see, the cotton changing color from the remaining dirt on the skin that the cleanser couldn't get. So tuendelee tu. So even this one gets some dirt, meaning there is a level the toner goes, the cleanser would never. So I repeat the process to ensure that the cotton is white in the end. but ni better usifanye twice. You are not supposed to deplete the oils in your skin. That's another trouble. So don't forget the neck, usisahau shingo, and here we are. So the next product is a serum. So natumia hii serum ya BioBalance and inakaa hivi. Is it zooming? Is it zooming? Please zoom. Oh yes, here we go. It has ascorbic acid inasaidia with the oh my goodness. Inasaidia hyperpigmentation, and the vitamin C does quite much. It's good for oily and acne prone skin, I hear. So droplet here, droplet here, droplets also here, and what? And droplet here too. Rub it in entirely until you get the glow. And the neck nayo nita hesitate. Usijaribu kusahau hiyo shingo. So hapa ina take time kiasi kuabsorb. I think out of all the products, this lingers more. But you have to give each step some time before you go to the next product. Usipakanisha tu malize. Acha tuone kama hii fan ita work. Oh, not working. Ukiona imewekwa bafu una expect ni charge saa ngapi hata wewe. So what we're gonna do is wait 1 minute, 2 minutes, just wait. Okay, let me be showing you the next product as we wait. Tukingoja tu. So next ni moisturizer. You know, when you have an oily skin, you'd probably wonder, jota mimi nilikuwa najiuliza, mbona ni moisturize? Doesn't that make my skin more oily? But here's the thing. The right moisturizer will hydrate the skin without clogging the pores. And that is why yangu ni oil free. As you can see, it's written hydrating without clogging. As a reminder for us oily skin people, yo. I think for now we can proceed. Can we really proceed though? Yes, we can. So moisturizer, I shown you it's oil free, didn't I? This camera will zoom to exterior, god damn it. Right side, upande wa kushoto, wa kulia, the chin, where else? The forehead gotta be shiny. Sasa to rub it in gently, it's sensitive over here. So wapendwa, hapa tunamalizia. Even my energy is increasing. Lastly, most importantly, the mother of all, sunscreen. For this one in particular, you might not see the effects right away, but the future self will thank you. So I'm using the Salicylic one and SPF 70%. Now hizi details zingine as if they matter. Oh well, they might. Okay, let's go. Hii nayo unatumia nguvu yote kupump. Oh my. Even my hand is shaking. Okay, whatever way you gotta do it, as long as the work gets done. Honestly, I'm having fun with this method. It's so therapeutic. Up close and very personal. We are done. Yani wapenzi, tumefika tamati. Just to see the neck is glowing too. I loved doing this little lip gloss because it's needed. So I got a little too much and I will have to apply it all. Here we are. The video has come to an end, unfortunately, my loves. You guys have been real. Thank you for being my amazing viewers, and I'm gonna do an updated routine for you guys. Until then, subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell. It's been real. Until next time, see ya!